Chris, you're being filmed now. A lemon. Christmas compilation 2019. Christmas Coca-Cola track. It Cribs Causeway, Bristol.
No, hang on.
I'm filming.
Don't worry, well, I'm going to film you.
Hello? You filming as well, are you?
Yes, I am.
Here we are. Another year comes quick again.
But prepare before you.
Watch out where you're walking.
Yeah. No, I don't matter.
So please follow the instructions given to you by our staff. Now before joining the ice, please make sure your boots are fitted snug and tight. As the team member you need help.
What are you going to flip? We'll go inside.
Even if you are a very
Yeah, because look how long the queue is.
Like I said, we go with leave it, come back and look.
I'm just going past to just film.
Now this session will run for 45 minutes. Please skate in an anti-clockwise direction, skating on your right and overtaking on your left. New this year, we have islands on the ice, and you can use these areas to stop inside for a little rest break or to safely practice any tricks. We ask that you give your attention now to the ice stewards, as they will demonstrate the best way to get back up from the ice should you happen to slip over. So we always find it helpful if you go to your knees first and then gradually bring yourself up. So thanks for that, Stuart. Now once again, our team are here to make sure you have a safe and enjoyable skating experience, so do ask any team member for help if needed.